cancel it because it should be ready. And it's okay if it's not ready. They are allowed to be busy, but I am not allowed to waste my time. Maisie A. Look at that. Bow, got that food. Hey, this is crazy. This order was placed at 6:45. And the time right now is what? 7:18. They placed this order like 30 minutes ago. So if you placed the order 30 minutes ago, it should be ready. It should definitely be ready. And I gave them an extra 5 minutes too. So you know what? The last time I was here, I had issues. Had to leave and come back, leave and come back. And now this time I had no issues. So what that tells me is, you know what? I got to give them another shot. I can't just go off of their last experience because now we got a good 50% track record. Like they had one order messed up, but this one was ready. So you know what? I'm willing to give them another shot now because they have shown me that they can handle it even when they are, you know, full capacity. And that's all I'm asking for, you know, a little bit of teamwork. Teamwork make the dream work. That was quick. All right, let's get it dropped off now. Hopefully I'm going the right way. I don't know if I am though. And my phone is acting dumb. Yep, not going the right way. Got to go up this way. How much we have for this order? $8.83 on this order right here. I was kind of like, I really wasn't expecting it to be ready. I'm quite surprised, pleasantly surprised. What is this? What is this? They just sent me this while I'm sitting here talking to y'all. $11 for 30 miles? What? That's a 60-mile round trip. Bruh. This order say 30 miles. Hey, that's crazy right there. Uber Eats, hey. Y'all need to get it together. What? 30 miles? That's a 60-mile round trip. Hold up. This one is half the miles. And that's crazy that they would offer somebody $11 for 30 miles. This one say 16 miles. That's half. She's still bad. But damn, that boy. I'm glad I got $1 order now. God damn. Send your ass 60 miles away for $11, boy. I'm mad as hell. Whoever took that, boy, that's their last order of the night. I guarantee it. If you take that order, you is not getting nothing else. You might as well take you a sleeping bag and just park it wherever you drop that order off at. That's it. Boy, I can't even believe they just did that. Hold on. Let me make sure. Maybe I wasn't reading it right. Maybe I wasn't reading it right. Nah, bro. That mug say $11.06 for 29.8 miles. 29.8 miles? What? Bruh. Who is taking orders like this? If you do this order 3 times in a row, you will have driven 100 miles and made $30. What? That's crazy, boy. Hold up, where is this going? That's crazy. That's just crazy.